In this video, we will demonstrate how you can perform an automation test using MOZARK's app functional. The very first step is to start a test flow. You can run automated tests after successfully uploading or selecting project, build, script, and test cases in the given sequence. The build is the directory. If you select a fault, then the build currently present in the device will run. No tests will run on the selected devices if there is no build uploaded on them. Selection of test cases requires the presence of build in the folder uploaded before. Writing test descriptions is optional. The next step is to select devices. After selection of devices, one can execute the scripts by clicking on the Run Test button. You can either click on Start Now to run the test instantaneously or click on Schedule Test to run tests continuously or at a time of your choice using the scheduling functionality. The Check Status tab helps you view the status of the test. It allows you to see both ongoing tests and test history as well as manage schedules. If the status of the test is completed, then test run details show results in the form of screenshots, recordings, test logs, and live logs. Test results are given test case-wise. One can rerun the failed test cases by clicking on the Rerun Test button. Test progress can be seen by going to the Ongoing Tests tab under the Check Status tab. You can analyze aggregated test result in the dashboard by going to See Results. You can do so by choosing the App, Build, Script, Test Cases, OS, and Makers filters. By OS by Make. You can also go to the Advanced dashboard where you can see test history by filtering date and time, making model, OS, app build journey, script, and test cases. This is how one can get started with app functional. Thank you and goodbye.